Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change your Reddit username after 30 days. Go to Reddit app. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right. Now go to Settings. Now go to Help at the bottom. Now once you're in the Help section, just type in keyword of your issue. My issue is changing the username. Now once we have searched for the username, we will come across an article. And below that article, you can see an option of Submit a request. Tap on that. Now you will come across a form. You would have to fill this form step by step, explaining your issue. Now there are options available. You would have to select from them. You need to select username problems here. Now I'm just going to fill this form. I'm going to add my username. You can even attach a screenshot describing your issue. Now, just submit the request. Now Reddit is going to respond back to you in a few working days. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.